Hi, to change the watch face on your Xiaomi Band 8 Active, as a first step, just take your band and here you need to press and hold the current watch face. And after that, you can swipe up or down to check all of the available watch faces for now. So if you liked one, just simply tap it and it will be your new watch face. Now you can also swipe up to open the list of apps. Here you need to find the settings. And after that, select this Styles tab and do just the same thing, just like that. So, to check more options, you just need to take your phone to which your band is connected and open this Mi Fitness application and make sure that your band is connected to this app. And now you can see this tab with watch faces. So just simply tap it and you'll be able to select different types of watch faces. For example, utility, formal, custom, workout, and just check all of them. So let's select all and here we can see many options for the watch faces. So if you liked one, you just need to simply tap it and after that select this button to apply. Then either download now or wait for Wi-Fi. I'm gonna download it now and now we're simply waiting till it will load to 100% and till it will be applied as our current watch face. And the process is finished now, so yeah, here is our new watch face. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.